Hi students, hope you all doing safe and fine. So here we teach you a small concept of ninth standard that comes in a first chapter and then a theorem based on that. Okay. So first I'll teach you what is a linear pair. You started this last year also. Two angles form a linear pair if they have a common ray, if they have a common ray, if they have a common ray and the other two sides are opposite rays. Okay, so look at this diagram. You can see triangle A, you have angle ABD and angle ABC. Both the angles have one common ray, that's ray BA. BA is the common ray. Okay, and the other two sides are BD and BC. They are on the same line and they are opposite rays. So basically you can say both the angles, this angle and this angle, they lie on a same line, so it's called linear pair. They have a common ray and the other two sides are opposite rays. Then there's one property here. Angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. Angles in a linear pair are supplementary. Now supplementary means the sum is equal to 180 degrees. Supplementary means the sum of the measures. Okay, so you can say the sum is equal to 180 degrees. So in this diagram you can say angle ABD plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. So now two angles are in a linear pair, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. Clear? So this property we're going to use in a sum as well as a theorem in the next part. Okay? So suppose you have this question. Now in this question you have angle PQR is given as 2x plus 30 degrees and angle PQX is equals to x degrees. And your question is find the value of x. Your question is to find x. So how do you solve this now, tell me? So you can see these two angles are in a linear pair. The name of these angles are, what are the name of these angles? This angle is angle PQR and the other angle is angle PQS. Both the angles lie on the same line, so they form a linear pair. If two angles are in a linear pair, then the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. Obviously they are supplementary, right? So here the name of the angles is angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, and you got to write the reason there. The reason is linear pair. They form a linear pair, so their sum is equal to 180 degrees. Now we substitute their measures. Angle PQR का measure is 2x plus 30. तो ये 2x plus 30 है और इसका PQS is equal to x degrees. Fine, equal to 180 degrees. Now we add the terms in the left hand side. So you got to check the like terms here. 2x plus x, दो चॉकलेट प्लस एक चॉकलेट, तीन चॉकलेट. So 2x plus x becomes what? वो 3x हो जाएगा. 3x plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, right? So 3x is equal to 180 minus 30 degrees. So 3x is equal to 150 degrees. So x is equal to 150 upon 3. So you can write x is equal to, this gets cancelled and you get x is equal to 50 degrees. Is that clear? So the measure of x is equal to 50 degrees. Now in case if they ask you the question, find the measure of both the angles, then you can write therefore angle PQS. Therefore angle PQS वो कितना था, x था बराबर, तो उसका मेजर हो जाएगा एंगल PQS इज इक्वल टू, एंगल PQS वाज x, तो वो कितना मिला 50 डिग्री. सो एंगल PQS इज इक्वल टू 50 डिग्रीज. दैट इज वन ऑफ योर आंसर. क्लियर? And you want angle PQR. PQR is, so you can say angle PQR is equals to 2x plus 30 degrees. You can put x ka value here. So 2 into 50 plus 30 degrees. So 2 into 50 is 100 plus 30. That will become 130 degrees. Clear? So angle PQR is equal to 130 degrees. Clear? So when two angles are in a linear pair, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. Now we prove one theorem based on that. That's called if two lines intersect each other. If two lines intersect each other, the vertically opposite angles are equal. So if two lines intersect each other, the vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. Now for all theorems, remember the if part is called as condition and then part is called the result. If part is called the condition and then part is called the result. Now in this theorem, the if part is two lines intersect each other. That's always the condition, the given condition. Then the vertically opposite angles are equal. This is the result. That's to be proved. Okay. So two lines intersect each other. ये दिया हुआ condition है. That's a given condition. And vertically opposite angles are equal. ये हम लोगों को prove करना है. Okay. So हर theorem का if part is called the condition and then part is called the result. So if part given में लिया जाएगा and then part will be proved. That is to be proved there. Now if possible, every theorem you draw diagrams to understand and to explain the concept with proper reasoning, with proper logical reasoning. Okay. So here I take two lines intersecting each other. So we draw two lines which intersect each other. So I'll take one line and another line. You name the lines as A, B and C, D. So I name the first line as AB and the second line is CD, and both the lines intersect each other at point O. So I name this point as O. So as I said, the if part is taken as given and then part is taken as to prove. So that if part we write as given. So I'll write given. So what is given in this theorem? Lines AB and CD intersect at point O. The lines intersect at point O. और हम लोग को prove करना है the vertically opposite angles are equal. So here you have two pairs of vertically opposite angles. You know, I told you earlier also, whenever two lines intersect each other, four angles are formed. Clear? So I'll show you those angles. The first angle is angle AOC. Angle AOC, I have marked a pink color there. The opposite angle is BOD. Okay. So these two angles are equal, angle AOC and angle BOD. The other pair of vertically opposite angles is angle COB. I'm marking a blue cross there. And the opposite angle is AOD. Clear? So you have to prove that the vertical opposite angles are congruent. That means you have to prove. क्या prove करना है? Angle AOC is equal or congruent. What do you write? Is equal to angle BOD, the first pair of vertically opposite angle. And the second pair is angle COB is equals to angle AOD. Okay. So this is to be proved there. Now to prove this, we use linear pair ka property. Clear? So I'll start the proof here. So first I consider these two angles. Angle AOC, please listen properly now. Angle AOC and angle COB. These two angles are in a line, right? So the sum is equal to 180 degrees. Which angles? Angle AOC and angle COB. So I'll write that first. So in step number 1 we write angle AOC plus angle COB is equals to 180 degrees. The reason will be linear pair. Angles in a linear pair are supplementary. उनको ऐड करके हमेशा 180 मिलते हैं. Clear? Step number 2. Now we took angle AOC and COB, right? Now we will take angle COB and angle BOD. These two angles are also in a linear pair. Fine. I'll take angle COB and angle BOD. Clear? I can highlight and show you again. First, we took the pink angles. So I shade pink color for them. Angle AOC. Angle AOC. Can you see that pink color? And angle COB. Angle COB. Okay. Now I'll take the green colored angle. So I'll take angle COB and angle BOD. They are also in the same line, right? So in the first step, I took angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degrees. Now in the second step, I'll take the green colored angles, angle COB and angle BOD. So I'll write angle COB plus angle BOD is equals to 180 degrees. Again, they form a linear pair. Clear? Now in both the equations, you can see the left hand sides are same. So in equation 1 and equation 2, the left hand sides are same. The right hand sides are same. 180 degrees, 180 degrees. Clear? जब भी दो इक्वेशंस का राइट हैंड साइड सेम है ना, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भी सेम हो जाएगा. सो यहाँ पे उनका राइट हैंड साइड सेम है, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सेम हो जाएगा. सो विल गेट देयरफॉर एंगल AOC प्लस एंगल COB is equals to angle COB plus angle BOD. And here I'll write the reason from 1 and 2. Because in 1 and 2 the right hand sides are equal, so I took the left hand sides are also equal. Now here you can see that in both the sides the COB value is same. Can you see? The COB value is same. So you can cancel that COB or you can eliminate that COB. So COB minus COB becomes 0 है ना. उसको वहाँ पे शिफ्ट करोगे तो माइनस हो जाएगा, कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So you can write कैंसिल किया है, या फिर you can write eliminating. Angle COB from both the sides. So eliminate means उसको निकाल दिया, उसको कैंसिल कर दिया. So what is left over? Therefore angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. This is what you have to prove. Okay, angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. You prove that angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. Is that clear? Similarly, we can prove the second pair also. So we need not prove, we can write directly. Similarly, we can prove. So which is the other pair of the vertically opposite angle? Angle COB is congruent to angle AOD. So we can write similarly, can prove that angle COB is equal or congruent to angle AOD. Hence proved. So we have proved the theorem. We have proved that if two lines intersect each other, the vertically opposite angles are equal. Clear to all? Thank you so much.